Today is the history of a man who doesn't need any introduction. A martial arts legend known for his lightning quick fighting style, grunts and facial expressions. He is an actor, director, martial artist, martial arts instructor and philosopher. Today is all about Lee Zun-Fan, who is famously known as Bruce Lee.
My last name is Lee, Bruce Lee. I was born in San Francisco in 1940.
Born on 27 November 1940 in San Francisco to mother Grace Ho and father Lee Hoi Chuen, who was a famous Cantonese opera star. Lee was introduced to film at a very young age. When he was 3 months, he was carried on to the stage in the film Golden Gate Girl. Later, appeared in over 20 films before he is 18. Lee moved to the United States at the age of 18 to receive his higher education at the University of Washington in Seattle, and it was during this time that he began teaching martial arts. He married Linda Emery in August 1964. They have 2 children, Brandon and Shannon Lee. Jeet Kune Do, a hybrid martial arts philosophy drawing from different combat disciplines that was founded by Bruce Lee, is often credited with paving the way for modern mixed martial arts.
Martial art means honestly expressing yourself, but it's very difficult to do.
Let's know a few interesting facts about Lee. Bruce Lee got his big break in Hollywood in 1964 when he was discovered by celebrity hairstylist Jay Sebring at the Long Beach Karate Championships. Sebring told one of his celebrity clients, the producer and actor William Dozier, about the young, talented martial artist, and Dozier immediately contacted Lee, and the rest is history. In 2005, a statue of Bruce Lee was unveiled in a small town, Mostar, and he was chosen over other nominees, including the Pope and Gandhi, after a residential poll. In 1961, when he is 20, he officially opened a martial arts school called the Zun-Fan Kung Fu Institute and used to charge $275 an hour for private martial arts session. He did 5,000 punches a day to master his art. Bruce had to slow down his fight movements because they become blurred while being filmed. Bruce Lee can read a book, watch television and do dumbbell curls all at one time. Remembering a man of intense energy with huge ambitions on his birth anniversary who changed the film industry in Hong Kong and brought Kung Fu into Western popular culture.
Follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe us on YouTube at Ragashri Video.